like my favorite way that people do it is when they make it a date night.
Oh, fun.
It's very casual at a jewelry store. You know, these perceptions that I'm gonna walk in there and they're just gonna beat me on the head and want me to pay thousands of dollars and I'm not ready to do it yet. That's not really the environment that we're in now. It is, I use the term so much and it maybe sounds trite, but it's all relationship building. And so we want you to come in and have a glass of wine together while you look at engagement rings, or maybe you're already married. Maybe it's diamond studs or a fine watch or something like that. Like that's what we want you to do. We want, when our store becomes a stop on your date night, whether you're engaged or married, that is a successful jewelry store. And the reason it's a successful jewelry store is not financially. That is a beacon in your community, which, as you know, is my goal. It shouldn't be an awkward conversation. Let's go to the jewelry store. It should be fun. Again, make it part of your date night. Stop at my store, stop at my friend's stores, whatever that is. Have something to drink, and then go to dinner and talk about what it is that you saw. I promise when you do it that way, when you, not just the experience of going to the store, but then when you follow it up with having a meal together and maybe another drink, it will be solidified between the two of you what the right purchase will be.